Morning, guys. Today we're going to do some pork back ribs on the Traeger. It's about an 8-hour job start to finish, so I want to feed the guys about 5 or 6 tonight, so I'm going to get going on it. We're going to be using Honey Hog barbecue seasoning from Meat Church. We've tried several different ones, and this is what my family has settled on, and so we're going to get these pulled out of the packages, strip the membrane, and we'll get them seasoned up and let them set for 30 minutes with the seasoning soaking into the meat, and then we'll get the Traeger fired up and throw them on. So we gotta get the membrane off. Best way I've found to do this is just take a fork and start it, and then you just take a paper towel and finish it. Just grab it with the paper towel and it pulls right off, no problemo. Okay, so we'll just put that in the fridge real quick and see you in about 30 minutes. Okay, so we'll go fire up the Traeger. It's 4 degrees right now and going down. Luckily there's not too much wind today, about 12 miles an hour it looks like, so that shouldn't affect our cook. Okay, make sure your hopper's full before you start your cooks. Okay, so it is a little more breezy than I expected today, but we'll still be okay. We'll kick this baby up to 185. And luckily, I've got the app on my phone so I can do most of my work from inside the house. So that's what we're gonna do, because it is cold. My bad, guys, I set it to 185, I meant to go 180, so we'll just do that on the phone. We're at 183 right now, so life's gonna be good. We'll grab those ribs and throw them on. Okay, guys, we got a good marinade on there. We'll just toss these on. And we will shut the lid and give them about, what did I say, 2.5 hours. Okay, guys, so I got 3 things of foil down here. Put some pads of butter on. Then we got a little bit of brown sugar. We'll put on our bed here. A little bit clumpy, but I'll take care of that. I've got the shiny side up on the aluminum. And we'll follow that with a little bit of honey. Had this honey sitting in the fireplace room, kind of warming up a little bit. Doesn't take too much. Alright, looking good. We'll follow that up with a little bit more seasoning of this Honey Hog. Just a little tad. Now I'll sneak out and grab the ribs. 3 degrees outside, minus 13 with a wind chill, but we should be ready to throw them on. Okay, so there's our first one. We'll put the meat side down. Oh, those are looking good. I'll go grab number 2 and 3. And number 3. Now, we'll just make a little boat. Keep all those juices in there. It'll be good. If that don't make you proud to be an American, I don't know what will. I'm actually gonna turn my temp up now to 225, and we're gonna throw it on for another 3.5 hours. And you can finish these just in your oven inside the kitchen, but we're rocking here outside. We'll just keep it going. The only other thing I'm going to do is turn it up to 225 on my app. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3.5 hours.
3 hours and 30 minutes, counting
Okay
down.
guys, so it's been 3.5 hours. I'm going to go pull them off, and we'll peel one open real quick, make sure it's fall off the bone, and then we will rest them for a half hour. We'll see what happens. So I like to rest them just to get the moisture to reconstitute into the meat. Once things cool down a little bit, it just lets the moisture spread out through the meat so it's nice and moist. Yeah, they definitely feel like they're ready, just the way it's sagging. You can tell it's pretty good. Yep, it's fell off the bone. We will grab my cooler and we'll let them rest. So we'll just set them in there. Okay guys, so while that is resting, I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the temperature to 4 1/4 because my daughter picked up some fries at the store, and we're gonna go ahead and smoke the fries in the Traeger. I've learned that frozen French fries are so good in the Traeger. It just crisps them up nicely and they just come out perfect. So we'll kick that up there, and my daughter should be home with the fries. We'll throw them in for about 25-30 minutes, and then we'll pull these out and eat them. Okay, so we got some waffle fries delivered. We're gonna put on some Freddy's seasoning real quick, and we will throw them in the Traeger. Okay, so we're getting ready to cut into one of these. We'll see how yummy they are. Looking good. Oh yeah, it just makes a nice paste on the bottom there. Yeah, just pull right out of the bones, just like we like. Okay, we got our fries. We'll just put a little more seasoning on them. Of course, they wouldn't be fries without a little Chick-fil-A sauce, so we're gonna do a little of that too. And then they were done. So, good stuff. Good stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Give it a shot yourself.